How to send PDF file from email to WhatsApp. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide on how you can send PDF file that you received on your Gmail to WhatsApp. Now it's quite simple. Simply open up your Gmail. However, what you'll need to do is you'll have to download the app called Google Drive. You can head into your Play Store and there you can search in for Google Drive here, and you'll have to download and install this app Google Drive. It's mostly already installed on the devices. Now once you do it, what you're going to do is head into your Gmail. Now here on Gmail, as I open up, you can see I have received a sample PDF here that I just sent it to myself. What you're going to do is tap on it and it'll open up here. You can see you can open up with OneDrive or you can open up Drive here. You can install any of these files here and then simply open it up. And once you open it up, you can see what you want to do is tap on the three dots option at the top right corner of your screen, and then what you want to do is you can either download it or you can send file. Simply tap on send file option, and here you can see down below various options popping up, and there you can see WhatsApp. You can open up WhatsApp and here you can select the chat that you want to send the file to. I'll just select a random chat here. I'll just send it to myself and then simply tap on send and it'll be sent once you tap on send button again. So this way you can send PDF file from email to WhatsApp. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.